So dear students, in this video just we discuss the question answer key. You just have to what you have to do, you just match your answer key with us. At first you just see in the question number 1, this is the species interaction is the answer. In the question number 2, the log phrase is the answer. You just match your answers with us. Next, in question number 3, the primary roots are the answer. In question number 4, in the column match here in the column match, the answer is option number 2 is the answer for here. In question number 5, you see here the answer is the GIFT and IUT is the answer for here. In question number, I just tell you the answer and you just have to match the answer with us. In question number 7, in question number 8, the answer is the option 3, the sickle cell anemia. This is the answer. In question number 9, again the column match, so here answer is the 2. You just have to match your answer with us. In question number 10, the answer is the sporongitis is the option number 2. In question number 11, 12 is a very easy question, so I don't give the answer key. In question number 13 is the nitrite alone is the answer. In question number 15, the leaning or interline is the answer. In question number 2, in question number 16, the option number 2, there this involved the integration of the food particles. This is the answer. In question number 18, the DNA, the integral epoxides and the DNA fragments can be helped. In the question option number 2, the ethidium bromide in UV reaction. This is the answer for this question. You just have to match your answer. So in question number 18, we just tell you that this is the answer. The ethidium bromide UV reaction is the answer. In question number 19, the higher H+ concentration of alveoli favors the formation of the oxyhemoglobin. This is the answer. Next, this is the question number 20. Here the answer is the hypogeneous ovary is the answer. In question number 21, the answer is there is the question is the sequence. The sequence आपको लिखने को कहा गया था, जहाँ पे आंसर होगा 5-G-AA-T-C 3-C-T-T-G 5 dash. This is the answer, option number A. In the question number 22, the answer is the option B. They cut the standard DNA polydromic sites. So you just have to match your answer with us. In question number 23, which of the following put of the danger in the sewage treatment? This is the activate sludge. This is the answer, option number 4. In question number 24, in the answer is A, B and D. So this is the answer in question number 24, where the question is the correct event of occurring during the interception. So it is the answer. In question number 25, the option 4 is the answer. The head holds one third of the nervous system rest saturated along the dorsal part of its body. This is the answer. In question number 27, again the column match, where the answer is the option 2 is the answer. You just match your answer. In question number 28, again column match, where the answer is option 4. In question number 29, the incorrect statement is question number 3, the sapwood of the innermost secondary xylem and lithia to the occur. This is the answer for here. In question number 30, the answer is option 1. You just have to match your answer. In question number 4, in question 31, here answer is at the time of the fusion is option 4. In question number 32, the answer is 7 million. You just match your answer and give me the how much you get in your biology. In question number 33, the translation is the binding of mRNA to ribose. Option number 1 is the answer. In 34, the Amazon forest is a 4. Option 4 is the answer. In question number 35, option 3, the functional elusiasm has been A and B linked together to the hydrogen bonds. This is the answer. In question number 37, the option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. Here you have to match your column. The column match is the answer. In question number 38, the answer is CH4H2 and NH3 water vapor at 800 degrees Celsius. You have to match the option 1. Here against the biological was the depressed in the. This is the option 2 is the option 1 is the answer here. In question number 40, you have to say the transition is the answer for here. In question number 41 is the defense action is the answer, option 3. In question number In question number 43, the plant nematodes is the answer. Question number 43. So again in question number 2, here is the A and C is the answer. In question number 45, the 3 is the answer. Active immunity quick gives full response. In question number 46, the cross binding is the answer. Cross binding is the answer. In question number 47, the immuno highly collide part, option 3 is the answer. In question number 48, the answer is option number 2. In arrangement, the option number 2 is the answer. In question number 49, the uremia and the ketonuria is the answer, option 1. In question number 51, the answer is the option 1 is the, again here option 1 is the answer. You just match your answers with us. In the column, in this option number 52, in the column matching, option 2 is the answer. In question number 53, so option 4 is the answer. Coloria and spirulina is the answer. In question number 54, here answer is the high concentration of the pathogen. So option 2 is the answer here. In question number 55, the again column matching, here the answer is option number 1. Is in question number 56, here is the answer for option 2. Next in question number 57, the answer is again 2. They have the free RNA without protein code. In 58, the answer is the sunflower, here option 3. In 59, the question answer is 2. In question number 60, again column matching, here answer is the option 1 is the answer here. In question number 62, here column matching once again, here answer is 1, option 1. In 63, the answer is wind and water, option 3. And in question number 64, here the answer is the ethylene is the answer, option 3. In question number 66, here answer is option 2, the ascorbic acid. In question number 68, answer is option 2, the Na plus and the water form the renal. This is the answer here. In question number 69, option 2 is the answer, gross primary productivity, here is the answer. In question number 70, the answer is option 4, column matching. In question number 71, the answer is the mitochondria, option 3 is the answer. In question number 72, option 2 again answer, G1 phase. In question number 73, the answer is the adaptive radiation, option 1 is the answer here. In question number 74, the answer is 2.2 meters. In question number 75, the answer in QRS complex ECG response. In option 3 is the answer here. In question number 76, in column matching, here answer is option 1. In question number 77, option 1 is the answer here also. In question number 78, in question 79, identify the amino acid. The following is the valine, VALI. Any valine is the answer, option D. In again column matching, here the option 3 is the answer. You just have to match your answer with our prediction. In question number 82, here the answer is in insulin, option number 4 is the answer. In question number the answer is Morgan. In option 4 is the answer. In question number 85, the option 2 is the answer. In question number 85, the 1 is the answer. Citric cell is the question, and the option is 1 is the answer. Option 1 means answer is 1, option number 2. In 86, the zygote is the zygote is the answer, and the option 2 means it is option 2. In question number 88, the helium is the answer. Helium is the answer, is option 1. In 89 is the Semenia cell, is called option number 1 is the answer. In 90, the snow bindness of the aortic region, the option 2 is the answer, where it is the high dose of UVB radiation. So this is the all answer for your biology question paper. I think within 10 minutes I will just discuss with you all the answer keys. You just have to match your answers with our answer. If this video is helpful for you, then must share with your friends, and do send us the how much question you are attempting and how much you get right in your exam. Thank you for watching. Thank you.